In this video, we will go over some essential oils and their calming and relaxing benefits, for example, as a sleep aid. If you have trouble sleeping, I have a bonus tip at the end of this video. There are quite some nice options in terms of essential oils. I have a couple here that I personally like. Lavender essential oil is one of the most popular and versatile essential oils used in aromatherapy. Distilled from the plant lavandula, the oil promotes relaxation and is believed to treat anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Patchouli essential oil helps providing feelings of relaxation and helps to ease stress or anxiety. Not everybody likes it, but in combination with other essential oils, it smells amazing. Cedarwood is a strong sedative and mood enhancer and therefore plays a significant role in eliminating various symptoms of anxiety, which include uneasiness and restlessness. A few drops of this oil helps getting rid of stress and insomnia. Ylang ylang, an extract of tropical trees in Asia, like lavender oil, lowers blood pressure and heart rate and quite naturally sets the body up for sleep. When breathed in, the oil gives off a very fruity and pleasant scent, something which is calming on its own right. I'm going to use a roller bottle. Actually, the brown ones are even better than the transparent ones for essential oils, or you could use some pipette bottles as well. I want to try to create a blend with some of these and see how it turns out. Lavender is probably going to be the heart note of this blend. So I want to start very small and just count the drops and proceed to add and mix. I use a little notepad to help me keep track of what I'm doing because I will forget for sure. The next essential oil I would like to add is cedarwood. This is a more woody, earthy scent that will help anchor the blend. Then I want to add ylang ylang, that can be considered a top note. It is also used in Chanel No. 5, for those who remember that perfume. It was my grandma's favorite. Let's mix a little bit and then I'm using a cotton ball to smell if I like the blend. This one is a little bit too bitter, so I want to go ahead and just add more sweetness with the lavender essential oil. Let's see how this turned out. I will also show you how you can package and label the oil blend at the end of the video. I love this one here. So let's proceed and create our stock blend, so to speak. You can basically scale this recipe to any size that you want to make, or to any size that you need. I'm simply adding the same amount I had in drops and transform it into grams. You can actually also calculate the percentages and break it down in other units as well. I have another video here on my channel explaining how to do this, and I will leave a link down in the description if you're interested, where you will also find all other tools and ingredients that I'm using or recommending. Here is our essential oil blend, smells amazing, and here I have some sweet almond oil to dilute the blend with. You can also use fractionated coconut oil if you prefer. Now I take 1 milliliter with the use of a pipette and pour it into the roller bottle. This is a bottle of 10 milliliters and then I fill the rest with sweet almond oil and then I add the roll-on applicator. Best is to keep the blend for a couple of days so that the oils really mix well with each other before use. As you can see, you only need a small amount for the oil mixture. So what I like to do is to keep the mixture in a glass container until I need it. This way, you don't need to mix little drops every time you want to make a new bottle. Here are some stickers I designed and I applied on the bottle like so. The members of my Buy Me a Coffee page as always have free access to these and can download it and use it on their own creations. Now the little bonus tip if you have trouble sleeping or sleeping through the night, or you need to unwind before bed, there are some nice tea blends with herbs that help you calm down like fennel, chamomile and valerian. You can also find it on Amazon in different varieties and spice blends that are really interesting to try. I will leave a link to that as well in the description for you to check out. They have a tea blend for different benefits. I like to make a tea before going to bed when I feel that I need to have a good rest, and in my opinion, good rest is key if you want to be creative. If you're interested in other skincare DIY videos, you can check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you very soon. Bye!